What's up, guys? It's your boy Big E with Italia Chains. And today we are back with our 6mm, and this is a review that I love to do that rhymes, but this is one of my favorite links. It's a combination of the Figaro and the rope chain, aka the Milano. You have that diamond cut rope link, and then you have that diamond cut elongated Figaro link after. So this is going to be the ultimate shiny chain. It has that old school and new school look at the same time, and this has to be my personal favorite chain to put a pendant on. This just looks gangster with a pendant, especially a Jesus piece. Putting a Jesus piece on a Milano chain, to me, there is no better setup, and we offer some pretty amazing Jesus pieces. With that, guys, we offer this in both a 14 karat gold vermeil option as well as a 925 silver. Both of them are extremely shiny, have amazing cuts, and in 24 inches they weigh 60 grams at 6mm. So with that, guys, let's put on the gold chain right here, and this is what it looks like on neck. Absolutely beautiful, amazing diamond cuts, amazing shine, and again, this is one of my favorites. And now let me show you guys our classic silver version right here, and again, an amazing link. I love the silver version. Again, it looks amazing with a pendant. You can pair it with one of our many pendants that we have on the site, and you get a nice weight on this for an everyday wear. So with that, guys, this has been the quick review of the Milano chain. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and like I always say, guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I always love to talk shop with you guys. Talk to me about the Figaro. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what's up, and I will see you guys in the next one. This has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.